So we are on a short ride just to test new tires, but new tires fitted in very recently, so I just want to put a few miles on them. So we'll see how they do. So we have Michelin Anakee adventure tires, which I've changed from Michelin Road 5 tires. The Road 5 tires were great tires, but I thought this season I may do a bit more, maybe not off-road, but a bit more tarmac roads. So if I decide to go camping and go through some kind of light off-road tarmac road, I thought the Michelin Adventures will do a bit better. So today is just a quick test, see how it feels. Straight in, there was a difference. The Michelin Road 5s, I think these are the best, one of the best road tires, and the Honda felt light and nimble on the Road 5s. So when I switch on the Anakee Adventure, it's really felt just like heavier but less responsive. That's a first impression. But you know, I suppose they're very different tires. But yeah, interesting sensation. But we'll see how we do today. The weather is still not great. Late March and yeah, around 9-10 degrees, so not as warm as I would like, but it is what it is. So I was hoping that those tires would cope well with such a terrain, which is some kind of gravel access road to campsite or similar. It's not very demanding and very challenging terrain anyway. So yeah, I suppose Michelin 5 will find okay as well. With a bit of extra mud and grass. In theory, they should be better. It's a beautiful countryside. As I said, the weather's getting a bit warmer. So yeah, new season approaching. So hopefully with tiny upgrades, new tires, new foot pegs, we'll do a little bit more traveling and camping. So one thing I would have to add in regards to the new tires, Michelin Anakee Adventure, in comparison to Michelin Road 5s, they're of course a bit noisier, especially in the corners. So going slowly in the corners, there's a bit of howling. Nothing too crazy, but I can notice that. And so yellow, slow speed on the corners, there's a little bit of howling. So we'll see as it goes. It might go away with a higher mileage. We'll see.